Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to this channel, please press subscribe and become part of the family. Guys, today I want to give you top 5 money management. It's easy guys to manage your money. Number 1, count your money. Count your money before withdrawing it. When that e-note comes in, guys, saying titi titi, make sure that you start calculating your money, that okay, this will go here, this will go there, and then this policy will deduct this much, so you'll know how to spend your money. Number 2, if you're somebody who drives, guys, if you know that you don't have that much money for petrol, park your car, use a cab. It's easy guys. That car gonna help you for emergency, not for you stacking on the robot because of a petrol, guys. No. Let's avoid that, guys. Park your car, use a cab. It's easy like that. Number 3, don't go to the places that you can't afford. My brother, my sister, please, especially brothers, because sisters can go to to some places and she don't have to spend anything, just being yourself and being nice to people. So gents, let's not go to the places that we can't afford, guys, because our colleagues have put pressure on us. Come on guys, we had peer pressure when we were at school. We can't have peer pressure like now, especially the guys who are working, guys. Then number 4, lay buy clothes, guys. If you know that you don't have hard cash to buy clothes cash, forget about everything else. Just lay by, take your 3 months, 6 months lay by. At the end of the day, you'll be good, guys. We don't want you saying this December came quickly, whatever. No guys, no. Let's make sure we lay by, so we are sorted, our kids are sorted. Last but not least, don't over spoil on yourself, not even spoiling other people. Don't over spoil yourself. You know how much you have, and then you must do a calculation, so you know, okay, this I can do for myself. I don't have to stay on your lane, guys. Know your worth, that okay, I know I don't worth this much, so let me use this road, guys. Please guys, stay tuned, subscribe, like, press the notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be notified. Stay tuned guys, use your money wisely. Thank you.